In the heart of the untouched wilderness, where the expected transforms into the extraordinary, a hidden world unfolds. Behold the birds of paradise, captivating creatures that dance and display, their every move leaving us in awe. Meet Ed Scholes and Tim Lehman, who have devoted a decade to unraveling the mysteries of these miraculous birds. The only way to see a kingbird of paradise is to climb up into the trees where they live, so I'm heading up to my platform. As they photograph, analyze, and record every move, Ed and Tim seek to comprehend the secrets of these extraordinary beings. Revealing extreme examples of the miracle of evolution. Birds of paradise represent one of these singular events of evolution that stand out as extraordinary. These creatures are not just visually striking, they are living textbooks on adaptation and sexual selection. The females discern subtle variations, evaluating the complexity of the male's displays. What about New Guinea has led to these birds evolving here and nowhere else? How did it happen? Explore the diverse strategies of evolution at work as we witness one of nature's most extraordinary hidden wonders up close. In this world where beauty and behavior intertwine, the birds of paradise offer a spectacle not possible anywhere else on Earth. Discover and appreciate the wonders of nature. Subscribe for more captivating insights into the incredible world around us.